and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Isa. I'm joined today with my little assistant.
Hi, I'm Isadora.
And what are we doing today, Isadora?
Making cookies.
I have been best chocolate chip cookies ever. She's going to be putting in all of our ingredients. I'll be talking you through the instructions. A baker, I am not. These are cookies that I have perfected as time has gone on because I told myself I'm gonna be the type of mom who makes cookies from scratch. Do you like these cookies?
I love them so much.
So we are gonna make these cookies together and you will see the beautiful finished product. So we're gonna start off with some brown sugar. Can you please put that inside of our little KitchenAid here? Is this up for you? Oh, yep, good job. I will take that from you. We're putting a half a cup of dark brown sugar. If you don't have extra dark brown sugar, that's okay. You can add a little bit of molasses in there and it does the trick. Just like a tablespoon, nothing crazy. And then we're gonna do, what are we gonna do next?
7 tablespoons of white sugar.
All right, so here is your tablespoon, ma'am. Make sure they're nice big scoops. Perfect, right in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Then we're going to, hopefully my butter is warmed up. I put it in my pocket. And we're going to do a half a cup of unsalted butter. If you have salted, it's really not that big of a deal. We're going to cut them in so it's just a little easier. All right, we're going to put in the butter.
Okay.
We're going to pour it in. There we go. All right, we're gonna put this down, turn it on, lock it for us, lock, and then you're gonna put it to 4. And you're gonna cream the sugar for about 3 to 4 minutes. So while our butter and sugar is creaming, we're gonna do our dry ingredients in a separate bowl. So Isadora, can you please put in our 1.5 cups of flour into the bowl?
I'm gonna put all of it.
Perfect, all right, and you put in the other one. Then you're gonna put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Good job. Do 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're just gonna give that a little mix-a-roo. Very gently, assistant, can you please give this a little mix? Just a light mix, nothing crazy.
Then you make the dry ingredients a lot of times. Let your assistant help, okay?
Okay, you've got it. We have about 1 more minute for it to cream. We're gonna put in 1 large egg and our vanilla extract. I measure vanilla with the old heart. You do a great job. Good assistant.
Do you hear that? I'm a good assistant.
All right, it's been about 4 minutes and I think that our butter and our sugar is nice and incorporated. We're gonna move on to our next steps. I'm gonna crack in 1 large egg. Do your best to not get any shells. No one likes shells in their cookies. And then I'm going to, with the old heart, measure some vanilla, very gently put it to stir, please. All right, so while that's mixing, we're gonna very gently incorporate that.
Don't forget to pat.
Yep. Uh-oh.
Wow. That looks tasty.
Doesn't it? It is nice incorporated, and now it's time to add the best thing, the chocolate chip.
That would be a half cup of chocolate. Just saying.
Take it away.
Thank you.
All right. And now with your wooden spoon, preferably such as this, you're going to incorporate your chocolate. Your batter should look something like that. Now you're gonna grab your baking sheet. I like to use aluminum. You can use parchment, but lately the parchment has not been working for me. With an ice cream scoop or a cookie scoop, you're just gonna scoop them up. So, all right, you're gonna scoop them up and put them on the tray. So your mommy's gonna show you how. Put your hand up here, and then you're gonna scoop this way. All right, now very close to the thing, squeeze. And they'll be about this size. This recipe should make you about like 14 to 30 cookies, depending on how big. I prefer a larger cookie. We made about 15 cookies. I would say they're about medium-sized cookies. They're gonna take about 12 minutes to cook at 350 degrees in the oven. So let's put our cookies in. Well, we will see you in 12 minutes. So enjoy this lovely intermission music. We're back. We have taken the cookies out of the oven. They're spectacular. We're gonna give them about 10 minutes to cool down, but come, join me. Come see the magistry that is these. And join us for another intermission.
What's your favorite color?
Comment down below what your favorite color is. It's her #1 asked question. She asks everybody. So please do us a favor and tell Isadora what your favorite color is. All right, we are back and these are our cookies. Now, can we take a second to appreciate how absolutely beautiful this cookie is? And look at this. Oh ho ho, fluffy and delicious. All right, Iz, would you like to take a bite of a cookie with me?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Nothing beats a nice warm cookie, right? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that little bell notification so you know that every time I upload, and subscribe so you can join our weird little family. And as always, I love you guys very, very much. And until next time, bye!